Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make vegetable stew the Yoruba way. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. My ingredients for today's cooking include cow skin, which is popularly called ponmo, shaki, which is cow tribes or pansy in German, my pepper and tomato mix, some fish, my vegetable and some spices. Among the many ingredients used for making vegetable stew, I really love the taste of fish in my vegetable stew. And in today's video, I will be using a mix of two vegetables, which are spinach and kale. These are the two common vegetables here. They are the only ones you can see in the supermarket. And though most Africans here are more familiar with spinach than kale, but I must confess, kale is also a very nice vegetable. I like it because it's has more strength than spinach. Spinach is a water-loving vegetable, and kale is very good in making your egusi soup, and you can also use it to meals in which you need just a little vegetable, such as in the making of your yam porridge, cocoyam porridge, potato porridge, and the likes. The mixture of these two vegetables is one you would like. I would employ you use these two the next time you want to make vegetable stew, and ensure you leave a review after trial. And this is how the kale look like. I actually have a leftover in the freezer, which is why I do not have the original pack, where in German the kale vegetable is known as grünkohl. I'm going to leave the name on the screen. And now that I have my fish fried, my shaki and palmoil boiled, and all other ingredients ready, I would be proceeding to the cooking proper. And one other thing that adds flavor to your vegetable stew is the use of locust beans. And I'll be using some in my cooking, and I'm going to be adding in the ingredients one after the other. In the southwestern part of Nigeria, we have different types of vegetable leaves, which are used in making vegetable stew. And these leaves go by different names depending on which area you come from or which town you live in. Since I come from Ondo town, I'll be mentioning the local names of some vegetables which are common in the area. We have shoko, tete, amunututu, rorowo, awuro, we have elegede. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever heard any of these names before. Please feel free to mention the common names of some vegetables in your area in the comment section. I would also be using my meat stock in my cooking. And at this point, I'm going to remove my fish before I add in my vegetable. This is to prevent it from scattering. And I'm going to add it after the vegetable stew is ready. And I'll be using a few drops of this Maggi stock as my seasoning. Let me know in the comment section your favorite vegetable combo meal. Like, what do you like to eat your vegetable with the most? Vegetable stew is one stew that goes with almost everything. It goes with yam, with rice, with potatoes, with swallow, and some people even eat their vegetable stew with bread. Can you believe that? And let me know in the comment section where you are watching from, your favorite vegetable leaf and your favorite vegetable combo. If you are new on my channel, Kindly subscribe and click the notification bell for more yummy recipes and interesting videos. And do not forget to like the video, share, and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.